Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reverse TV. Today I will be talking about reverse mortgage after death. It's a very common question that we get as reverse mortgage originators or loan officers is, hey, what happens to my mom's home when she passes away, or my dad's home when he passes away, or what happens to my home when I pass away? So first and foremost, let it be said that this is called a maturity event. So let's just say that my mom and dad took a reverse mortgage and I am on the will as the person that will inherit the house. Obviously, whoever takes out a reverse mortgage, the homeowner, etc., will typically have a will or a life estate or a trust that dictates what happens to the house upon their passing. Just like a regular loan, it's really no different. So let's just say that my mom and dad did take out a reverse mortgage and they both pass away. The house goes to me as per the will. So when they both have passed away, I technically have 30 days to inform the servicer that they passed away and the house is going to me. Then what most reverse mortgage loan officers will tell you is that you have anywhere from 6 months to a year to handle the reverse mortgage. Okay, so obviously I could pay it in cash if I had the cash, or whatever the loan balance is plus any accrued interest, or whatever they use plus any accrued interest. You get a payoff just like a regular loan, no different. And then I would sell the house, pay off what is owed, and then I get the rest of the equity. But really you have a couple of choices. You could pay it off with cash. Most people don't have that kind of cash, so they're either going to have to refinance the loan in their name if they want to keep it, or they'll sell the house so that they can get the equity in the house. Now there's two different timelines, okay? So let's just say that I wanted to keep the house after my parents passed away and they had a reverse mortgage on it. I need to let the servicer know within 30 days what my intent is, and then if I'm going to keep the house or whatever, then I would have to refinance the loan into my name. And technically you have 90 days to do that, which typically is enough time. But however, you can actually get up to one 90-day extension. So really you have about 6 months to handle it if your intent is to refinance the loan into your name and keep the house that way. Now, what most people do is they already have their own house, etc. So they typically will sell the house, split it amongst siblings, etc. Or if it's just one person that inherited the house, then they would sell the house, get a payoff demand for the used funds plus any accrued interest from when their parents took out the reverse mortgage, and they have, again, 90 days to get it sold and get the loan paid off. However, you can get up to 3 90-day extensions, which means that you basically get up to a year to handle it. Now keep in mind, it's all about good communication with the servicer. Just let them know your intent. Sometimes I've seen it go where it actually takes longer than a year, and that's okay. They're not necessarily going to just take the house as quickly as possible, but they do want to make sure that you're not trying to market it way over market, etc. So again, the key is just communication. You have up to a year if you're going to sell it, and if it has to take longer because of funky market conditions, you just need to stay in contact with the servicer. And again, if you want to refinance the loan into your name, then you have up to 6 months to get that done. I hope that answered any questions. If you do have any other questions about what happens to a reverse mortgage after death, go ahead and let me know. You can find my contact info in the description below. And please, hey, if you found any useful information from my video, please go ahead and like and subscribe down below. If you want to get any information about any kind of home loan or reverse mortgage, just reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.